Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of the Easy English Podcast Club. Here is Alex. Today, I want to ask you something important. Have you ever studied English for many hours but still felt tired and frustrated because you couldn't remember much? Have you ever thought, maybe I am not good at languages, or maybe I need to work harder and harder? If you have felt this way, you're not alone. Many learners believe that studying more hours will always lead to better results. However, this is not always true. Here is the good news. Learning English does not have to be painful. You do not always need long study sessions. You do not always need more exercises or more books. What you need are smarter ways to use your time. When you use simple but powerful methods, you can learn faster, remember longer, and enjoy the journey. Today, I will share 7 secrets with you. They are easy to try. They do not need special tools. You can start using them today. And if you keep using them every day, step by step, you will see your English grow. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. Every week, I share new lessons that make English learning clear and simple for you.
Secret 1. Short bursts beat long sessions. Many learners think studying for 2 or 3 hours without stopping is the best way. But the brain does not like this. The brain gets tired, and the memory becomes weak. A smarter way is to study in short bursts. Try this. Study for 25 minutes. Then stop for 5 minutes. Stand up, stretch, drink some water, or take a short walk. Then start another 25 minutes. This works because your brain needs short breaks to organize new information. During the break, the brain is quietly saving what you just learned. So instead of feeling bored and tired, you will feel fresh and ready to continue. Quick reminder. If these ideas are helping you, make sure you hit the subscribe button on Easy English Podcast Club. That way, you can practice smarter every week with me. Secret 2. Mix and match activities. Sometimes learning feels boring because you repeat the same activity again and again. Reading for 30 minutes straight can make you sleepy. Listening for 1 hour without change can make your mind wander. A smarter way is to mix activities. For example, first, listen to a short English story. Next, write 2 or 3 sentences about it. Then, speak those sentences out loud. By changing the activity every few minutes, you keep your brain active. You also use English in different ways. Listening, writing, and speaking. This helps you build stronger skills and makes learning more fun. Secret 3. Teach what you learn. Do you know when you really understand something? It is when you can explain it to someone else. This is why teaching is a powerful tool for learning. After you study a new phrase or grammar rule, pretend you are the teacher. Explain it to your friend, your brother, or even your pet. Speak in simple English. Give 1 or 2 examples. When you do this, you are not only remembering the information, you are also using it actively. This makes the knowledge stronger in your mind, and you will be able to use it more easily in real-life conversations. Secret 4. Micro-shadowing moments. Shadowing means repeating what you hear in English, almost at the same time. Many learners try to shadow for 20 minutes or more, but you do not need long sessions. Small shadowing moments are enough. For example, when you wait for the bus, repeat one sentence from a podcast. When the kettle is boiling, say a phrase from a video. When you are walking, repeat a dialogue you remember. These small moments add up. Each one is short, but together they make your speaking faster and your pronunciation clearer. And the best part, you do not need extra time. You can shadow while doing daily tasks. Secret 6. The one focus rule. Many learners try to improve everything at the same time. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, and vocabulary. But this can feel overwhelming. Progress feels slow because your attention is everywhere. The smarter way is to choose one focus for a short period. For example, in week 1, focus on practicing past tense verbs in speaking. In week 2, focus on learning 20 phrases for daily conversations. In week 3, focus on listening to short news clips. When your brain has one clear target, it works faster. You feel improvement more quickly. And after 1 or 2 weeks, you can change the focus again. If you're finding these tips useful, remember to subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club right now. That way, you can keep building smarter habits with me every week. Secret 7. Turn learning into a game. The brain loves rewards. When you play a game, you feel excited and motivated. You can use the same idea in English learning. Set points for yourself. 5 points for watching an English video. 10 points for writing a short paragraph. 20 points for speaking in English for 5 minutes. When you reach 100 points, give yourself a small reward. It can be chocolate, a short break, or watching a favorite movie in English. This makes learning fun. Instead of feeling heavy or stressful, it feels like a game you want to play again. Let us quickly review the 7 smart secrets. 1. Study in short bursts with breaks. 2. Mix and match activities to stay fresh. 3. Teach what you learn to make it stronger. 4. Use micro-shadowing moments during your day. 5. Review quickly before sleep. 6. Focus on one skill or topic each week. 7. Turn learning into a game with points and rewards. Remember, studying smarter does not mean avoiding work. It means choosing better methods. With these 7 tools, you can learn faster, remember longer, and enjoy more. Believe this. Your English can grow. You do not need to feel stuck or tired. You do not need to study for endless hours. If you take small, smart steps every day, you will make big progress over time. Think of it like walking. One step is small, but after many steps, you have traveled far. English learning is the same. Be patient, keep practicing, and enjoy the process. Thank you for spending this time with me. I am Alex, and this is the Easy English Podcast Club. Subscribe now so you never miss the next lesson. Together, we will keep moving forward step by step until you speak with confidence and joy.